Dear student, today we will start Seebeck effect. The Seebeck effect is also known as thermoelectric effect. By the name of the topic, it is clear that in this effect, the heat is directly converted into electricity. So, what is Seebeck effect? It is a phenomena in which electric current is directly generated from thermal energy by a thermocouple keeping its junction at different temperature. This effect is reversible. The direction of current will be reversed if the hot and cold junction are interchanged. In the definition, the term comes thermocouple. Then what is thermocouple? The pair of dissimilar metal forming the junction is called thermocouple. What is thermo EMF? When the thermocouple kept at different temperature, a small EMF is produced, and this EMF is called thermo EMF. Now, what is thermocurrent? When the thermocouple kept at different temperature, a small EMF is produced and a current flow through the metals. So this current is called thermocurrent. An antimony bismuth thermocouple, the current flows from antimony to bismuth. For a copper ferrous thermocouple, the current flows from copper to ferrous. Very simply, when the question will be asked, what is thermoelectric effect or Seebeck effect, you must keep in your mind that in this effect, the heat energy is converted into electric energy. That's all for